In this section, we will explain each function of the file menu. The training contents are as listed.
It is a function that integrates all the commands of reading and saving the most files supported in FEM model,
Such as SRFT, geometry, result, and welder. Separated by all 5 tabs, functions of each tab can be run by a separate command. Recognize the file format automatically. If it can't read automatically or recognize incorrectly, it is necessary to directly specify the format.
The FE option loads the FEM formatted file.
The geometry option loads the geometry formatted file. The combine option saves the Nastran file and the combined file.
The combined file stores IGS information, group session information, and buckling panel information.
Load model command can be used to create new or read various solver input data and CAD data. If you click the load model icon, you can select a file using a file dialog. You can even select several files at a time. The same function can be executed in Load Model tab of File command. To load models, simply drag and drop input files from the file folder searching browser. The Results menu loads analysis result files and graph plot files. Select icon, then the file selection window is shown.
SRFT is able to read multiple results for the same model.
In state a result is already loaded, you can run another load result.
You can also read other analytical results and custom ASCII files.
The user-defined format option enables you to read unknown but rather simply formatted text results generated by any analysis solver. In order to recognize the result correctly, the user selects related options appropriately in the Options menu. But it has certain limitations to parse data properly. The complicated format may need another conversion program to load results correctly. Format of selectable files are shown below.
Files can be converted by using a converting program to fit into the SRFT binary format.
When you execute the import command, it adds another model without deleting the current working model. In practice, the load model command is executed. The only difference is that the related options are set so that you can append a model to be loaded into the existing model. It is a special import mode for using the model comparison comp function. The model comparison function is only usable for the model that read by the compare model option. Analyze the base model and partially modified model to show the difference between shape, entity E, entity name, property name, and data. With the export function, you can save the model as an input file for each solver or save the geometry as a CAD format file. The export options are shown below. If all models are activated, you can save all models, such as Save As. However, unlike Save As, the current file name does not change. The Solver Preference option, which could be set just before saving in the Save as Export command, can be executed directly as a separate Solver Preference command in File menu. If you want to save as a separate solver type, you must use the existing function. This command is always executed with the currently specified solver option. Display option and preference allows you to set all options for each entity, display, and graphic. Save preference allows you to save both display and view-related option settings in the current state. When you rerun the program in the future, the option remains previously saved. The script file that was driven by load script command can be used by registering directly to the user menu. In addition, It is executable by entering another command defined by the users.
Help file for script command is located in Help Path of SRFD installation folder.
File name is script format.
You can run the script file by drag and drop into the SRFD.
You can easily create script files using the script builder. It is a separate user interface for writing scripts conveniently and easily on behalf of the text editor. Even if you don't know the detailed rules of the script, you can write the script by entering the basic information. Basic examples are included in the tutorial folder in the installation directory. To key in, function converts the command stack selected by the user directly to the script format. You can copy it to the command input window and execute it immediately.
Clicking the Execute button executes the selected script in the Open SRFT. Script editing, execution, and debugging are possible using API Editor.
Also, it displays a script error as a pop-up message.
The API Graphic User Interface Editor makes it easy to create SL files for creating dialogues. You can create code SL files clicking the Generate Source Code icon in API Graphic User Interface Editor.
This code file opens in the text editor. Menu Builder is a menu relocation function using script and user command. New menus can be added using user command. You can create subfolder and register script files. The user menu can be shared as a file. User tab generation is available in the menu tree.
You can capture the screen by Control key plus alphabet P. When you press Control key plus alphabet P, you can select to save the clipboard or save the image file.
The capture background is automatically set to white color.